class 11. Now today we are going to learn about modulus and conjugate of complex number. After this we will be doing multiplicative inverse. So first we should know about modulus. So what is modulus? If we take the complex number z equals to a plus ib. Now the modulus is represented by modulus z equals to root under a square plus b square. Now modulus is represented by z, so this is parallel line, this equals to root under a square plus b square. So this is modulus. Now what is conjugate? Conjugate z is equals to z bar. So z bar equals to a minus ib. If the complex number is a plus ib, then the conjugate of this complex number will be a minus ib. If the complex number is a minus ib, then the conjugate will be a plus ib. Then multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is represented by z inverse equals to conjugate of complex number divided by square of the modulus. It is the formula of multiplicative inverse. Suppose, for example, the question is find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. In solution, first we will write the complex number, given complex number z equals to 2 minus 3i. Now first calculate modulus. Z modulus equals to root under, this is a, this is b, so 2 square plus minus 3 square. Z modulus equals to root under, this is 4 plus minus 3 square is 9, so Z modulus equals to root under 13. Then multiplicative inverse. First we will calculate conjugate. Conjugate z equals to z conjugate, this equals to z conjugate equals to 2 minus 3i, so conjugate will be 2 plus 3i. Therefore multiplicative inverse is z inverse equals to z conjugate by square of the modulus. So multiplicative inverse, z conjugate is 2 plus 3i divided by root under 13 square. Multiplicative inverse equals to 2 plus 3i divided by 13. Now we can separate. Z inverse equals to 2 by 13 plus 3 by 39. Now this is the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. Now the next question is question number 11. find the multiplicative inverse of each of the complex number given in the exercise 11 to 13. This is from exercise 5.1. Question number 11. Okay, question number 11 is 4 minus 3i. So in solution, we will write first z equals to 4 minus 3i. First we will calculate the modulus of complex number. Z modulus equals to root under, so this is 4 plus minus 3, so 4 is square and plus minus 3 is also square. So z modulus equals to root under 4 square is 16 plus 9. So z modulus equals to root over 25. Z modulus equals to 5. Then conjugate. Conjugate z equals to z bar. So z bar equals to 4 minus 3i, so it is 4 plus 3i. After that we can calculate the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Z inverse equals to z conjugate by square of the modulus. So z inverse equals to z conjugate is 4 plus 3i divided by modulus square is 5 square. So z inverse equals to 4 plus 3i divided by 5 is 25. Square of 5 is 25. So z inverse equals to, we can separate 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25i. Now this is question number 11. Now move to question number 12. So question number 12 is z equals to root under 5 plus 3i. Now first calculate modulus equals to root under 5 square plus 3 square. Z modulus equals to root under 5 is 5 plus 3 is 9. So Z modulus equals to root under 14. Now calculate conjugate, and Z bar equals to, now conjugate of root 5 plus 3i is root 5 minus 3i. Therefore multiplicative inverse is Z inverse equals to Z conjugate by square of the modulus. Z inverse equals to conjugate is root under 5 minus 3i divided by square of the modulus is root under 14 square. Z inverse equals to root under 5 minus 3i divided by, this is 14 only, so we can separate it. Z inverse equals to root under 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14i. Now this is question number 12. Now question number 13 is minus I is there, so it is Z equals to 0 minus I. It is 0 minus I. Now first we will calculate Z modulus. This is for 13. Z modulus equals to root under 0 square plus minus 1 square. So Z modulus equals to root under 1 square. So Z modulus equals to 1. Now Z conjugate, and Z conjugate equals to, it is I only. Multiplicative inverse. Therefore multiplicative inverse z inverse equals to z conjugate by square of the modulus. So z conjugate equals to z inverse equals to z conjugate is I by 1. So z inverse equals to I. Now question number 13. Okay, the last question is question number 14 from this exercise. Okay, question number 14 is express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. So this is the question. Now this is a plus b, this is a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So it is a minus b, a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, 3 square minus I root 5 whole square divided by in denominator root 3 plus root 2i. Now open bracket root 3 minus plus I root 2. So we can cut root 3 here. So this is 9 minus I square into 5 divided by this is 2 root under 2i, because root 2i is 2 root 2i. 9 minus I square is minus 1 into 5 divided by 2 root under 2i. This equals to 9 plus 5 by 2 root under 2i. Now rationalize by root 2. So this is 14 by 2 root 2i into root 2i by root 2i. So this equals to 14 root under 2i by this is root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 to 4 I square. This equals to 2 to 4, 2 7 14. So 7 root 2 by 2 I. Here it is minus 1 because I square equals to minus 1. So this equals to minus 7 by 2 root 2 I. This is the answer of question number 14. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.